Here's the shocking truth. There are other apps that have ties to the Chinese government that are collecting even more data than TikTok. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and for all the latest tech news, head over to cyberguy.com and get it straight to your inbox by signing up for my free newsletter. If you've seen any Cyber Guy content before, you know that I recommend you use a VPN. However, we're now learning that many app developers are taking advantage of the uses of VPNs by creating bogus apps that mostly just collect your personal data. Many of the top VPN apps that pop up in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store are actually owned by companies that at first glance seem fine, but upon closer inspection, they have ties to Chinese nationals and the headquarters in other Asian countries. It's hard to know which apps are owned by which companies, so make sure you're only sticking with VPNs that are helping you navigate the internet more safely. For my top VPNs of the year, head to cyberguy.com and just search VPN, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.